Every time you Google anything, you make somebody money. Let's Google this. So if I Google iPhone 14 review, you'll be able to see a blog here, and others here displaying information about iPhone 14 review. If I click on the first one, you will be able to see that it's going to give us information about iPhone 14 review and everything you need to know. So they are going to talk about it in length here. And as they talk about it, you can see here, you can see advertisements that have been displayed. So these advertisements make them a lot of money. So if you go to Google AdSense, so let me just click on Google AdSense. So you can go to this website, just Google AdSense, and you'll be taken to this website, and you can be able to see how much people are making. So this one is coming straight from Google. So if you scroll down here, you can select a region that you are in. So just select any region. Let me just select maybe this one, then category. Let me just select a random category, and then I'm going to calculate. So you can be able to see the more views you have in your blog, the more money you make. So if I scroll this, the more views we have, the more money we make. So you can see you can make, if you have 10 million page views per month, you can make almost $3 million, $3.8 million. So let's see how much this website is making. So we can copy the name of this blog, and then we can use a tool called Worth Over Web. I'm going to leave all these links in the description so that you can be able to check them for yourself. Then if I paste the name of this website and then click on analyze, you can be able to see that if the owner was to sell it, the estimate worth of this website is $86 million. Estimated revenue per day is at $5,800, and the monthly estimate revenue is over $1 million, and per year it's $12.8 million. Now if we come to this website, you can see that it's not only monetizing using this advertisement, it's also monetizing using affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically you referring a product. So when you refer a product to people and people click and buy that product, then you get commission. There are so many places that you can sign up for as an affiliate, and you can do that for free. For example, Amazon. So you can see they're even telling you here, when you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. So when you scroll down here, you can be able to see that they have talked about iPhone 14, and when you click on it here, you'll be able to see that they have a tracking code here. You can see that there is a tracking code here. When you buy that phone, they will get a percentage of that phone, like a commission, without an extra cost to you. So by them referring you to this website to buy this phone, they are going to make money out of it. So apart from making this money per day from Google ads, they are making money from affiliate marketing, and they're also making money from sponsorship. So if I scroll down, you can see that some content here is sponsored. So they're also making money from sponsorship. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog step by step. And the good news is that you don't have to know coding or programming to create this type of a blog. In fact, you can create this type of a blog within the next 1 hour, as long as you have a laptop and you have some internet. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Davis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing blog. I will show you how to create this logo. I'll also show you how to create this amazing favicon here. A favicon is what you see in the browser. For example, for YouTube, you can see it's this. For Gmail, it's this. For Google, it's this. So I'm going to show you how to create one for your blog. Then I'm going to show you how to create this amazing section called menu. So this menu will be the one that will be taking your users to different pages. For example, contact page, where people can come and message you. And once they submit, they will get this message: thank you for contacting us, we'll be in touch shortly. And you'll be able to see the message directly in your inbox. I'm also going to show you how to add all these other pages, like about you page, that will have what you stand for in your blog, what you talk about, and who you are, things like that. Now the blog will be now containing all your posts, the contact page, as you have seen, and all other categories that will be having in your blog. Now we'll have a search button here, so people will come here and search, and they will be able to find the blogs that you have. We also have this button that you can change to maybe subscribe, and once people click, they will be able to subscribe to a YouTube channel, or maybe you want them to talk to you, so when they click this, it will take them to your contact page. Now I'll show you how to create this amazing hero section here. I'll also show you how to edit these words or this text, and also show you how to add images. And also I'll show you websites that will help you download these images for free, and they will be copyright free, and you can use them the way you want in your blog without any copyright issues. I'll show you to add these sections, display your categories, popular categories like this. You can also edit this section the way you want. If you want to add a name here, if you want to add maybe a YouTube channel where people, when they click, it will take them to that particular YouTube channel, or once they click, it will take them maybe to the podcast or something like that. I'll also show you how to create this amazing section for your social setup. So when people click on the YouTube, they can now be redirected to your YouTube channel, or Facebook, or Instagram, or any other social media here. We're also going to have sign up form where people can now subscribe to this blog, and once you release posts, they can be able to get it. So once I put this, they subscribe, say thank you for contacting us, we'll be in touch shortly. So you see, we'll have subscribed to this particular website. So once you go again to your email, you will see that you have that particular entry. I will also show you how to make your blog responsive. That means that people can read your blog in their tablets, their phones, easily without distorting your blog. And then I'm going to show you how to monetize your blog, and I have been able to monetize my two blogs. One is making around $5,000 in a month, and the other one is making around $8,000 in a month. I'm going to show you all the secrets that I have learned over the years to make your blog successful. I'm also going to show you how to make money using affiliate marketing using your blog. So the post will help you drive more sales or make more money from affiliate links. And also I'll show you how to make money using sponsored content. Now from there, I'll be able to show you how to write an SEO optimized blog post that will rank high in Google search engines, so that you can be able to have more traffic, and from there make more money from Google ads and your affiliate and your sponsored content. If this interests you, please like this video and watch it till the end, because I will not skip anything. I will take you step by step process of creating this website, writing the posts, optimizing everything, and also monetizing your blog. And the best part is that you don't need any coding skills or programming skills. In fact, anybody can create this type of blog. Even a 10-year-old child can create this type of a blog. I'll take you through step by step without skipping anywhere, so that you can be able to create a similar blog like this and also be successful. To make a blog like this, in fact, to make any type of website, you will need to have domain and hosting. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, Amazon.com, Facebook.com, Google.com, and many more. Domains can have different extensions like .com, .org, .net, and many more. They can also reflect the country you are in. For example, .in for India, .uk for United Kingdom. Now, .com is the most famous and commonly used extension. Hosting is a place where your website files are stored. They can be videos, images, or any other content. When you buy hosting, you basically rent some space on a physical server where you can store all your files and data necessary for your website to work properly, so that your content can be accessible over the internet very well. To get domain and hosting, below this video, click on the first link, get domain and hosting here. Now you're going to land on this particular page where you're going to get our hosting. Hosting is the most important thing in your website because everything is directly tied to your hosting. For example, your website performance, your website speed, your website security, a good user experience, and even your website ranking. So selecting a reliable hosting company is crucial for an amazing user experience, amazing security that will make your website almost impossible to attack and hack. And most importantly, you will get a better ranking in Google, Bing, and other search engine results. There are thousands of hosting companies or hosting providers. In my 10 years of creating WordPress websites, I have interacted with many, but a few are worth consideration. Now, we'll be using Hostinger, a company I found to be really good and affordable for hosting with some of the best deals. Now, you can really see we have a very good rating from different places like Trustpilot, Google, and others. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the 3 plans available. You can choose any based on your budget. But before you do that, let me highlight some of the features you will be getting. Now, we have 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Now we are going to choose the most popular, which is the business plan. And you can see we are getting it at $14, but it's now at $4. We have around 2 months that are free. Now if we scroll down, we are going to see that we have an increased performance by 5 times. We can host around 100 websites. That means that today you are creating a blog, tomorrow you are creating an online shop. The more websites you are creating, you can create up to around 100 websites. We have 200 GB NVMe storage. This is not your local HDD or SSD storage. It's a very powerful and one of the latest storage technology. Now we have daily backups. We have unlimited free SSL. Now an SSL is the padlock that you see on a website like this. So every website should be having this. If it doesn't have this, then it will show that the connection is not secure and it will display it in red. So people will not be able to visit your website. Most of the hosting providers sell that, and you can see that we are getting here at free. We have unlimited bandwidth. We have free email. Now, a free professional email is not like the one that you are used to. For example, davis@gmail.com. This is an email that is associated with your website. For example, info@davis.com or info@amazon.com or support@amazon.com. Those are professional emails and you'll be getting them for free. Now you also have a free domain, so you are getting hosting and a free domain for a whole year. You're also getting a free CDN and a lot of goodies that will be coming with the managed WordPress. Now we have so many features here, but those are some of the highlights that I thought you should know. Now click on add to cart. Now again, you will be taken now here where you can choose the plan that you want. We have a 1-year plan here, we have a 2-year plan here, and a 4-year plan. Please don't go with 1 month because it will be very expensive unless you just want to test it. So go with a higher plan for maybe 24 months or 48 months. As you can see, you are getting, this is the $14 that you are supposed to be paying, but you are getting it at $4, or let's call it just $5. And when you renew, you're going to get it at $13 here. You can see here. So if you go for a plan for 2 years, you're going to get it at the same $5, but you're going to renew it at $10. So if you go for this plan, which is selected by default, you're going to get the 2 months free, then you're going to get it for 4 years, and you're going to get it to the least amount, which is $4, and you're also going to renew your plan at a very affordable rate, which is $8.99, which is around $9. So now, based also on your budget, so you can select any of the plans. I will select this one. Now scroll down, you'll be able now to check out. So this hosting company supports so many different types of checkout. You can pay with PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, and this other one, I'm not sure about it. Then you can also use your card here, so your credit card. So I'm going to use my credit card, and now you can be able to see on your billing here that you are going to pay around $671. Now you are paying at $191.52. You have 2 extra months, you have free domain, and you have WHOIS privacy protection, and you don't have a setup fee. So you're going to now fill these details. To pay, you're going to add your card details right here. Then I'm going to click on submit secure payment. So after paying, you're going to be redirected to your control panel. Now from here, you can be able now to choose what you want. You can say if you are creating for yourself, it's just a survey. You can skip it, but again, you can also answer it for Hostinger to be able to better understand what you need. So I'm creating it for myself. Is it your first time creating a website? So depending on your needs here, so yes. Next. What type of website do you want to build? So you can select now based on what you want. Maybe an online store, maybe a blog, depending on what you want. So you're going to select WordPress with AI, then select WordPress. So now here, you're going to create the login details that you will be using on your WordPress website. So make sure that you record or you don't forget the details that you're going to use here. Select next. So we're going to select on standard themes. Then next. Then we don't want to take any of the themes here. We want to skip this. We also don't want them to recommend us the plugins that we are going to use. So we are going to say no. And then we are going to click next. So let us skip this, and now here we can be able to fill the name or the domain name that we want. So you can think of a domain name that we'll be using for your particular website. And now you can put it here. So mine will be, let me use my personal name. So you can choose the extension. For me, I want a .com. You can choose a .online, .net, things like that. For me, I want to have a .com, and you can see it's free. So I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to put these details so that I can finish taking the name davisene.com. So I'm going to click on next step and fill the details that they want. So it's going to take you to this particular place where you can select the data center that is nearest to you so that your website can even be faster, but it's selected normally automatically. So you can change here or you can let it be. Click on next. So your WordPress is going to be installed. Now you can be able now to see that you have been redirected to your cPanel. Now click on admin panel, and now you're going to be redirected to your WordPress website. As you can see, you can also access your WordPress website by typing your domain name /wp admin. You can see you will be redirected now to your dashboard. So you don't have to access it using your cPanel. You can just type your domain name /wp admin. So first, we are going to do some cleanup. As you can see that our dashboard is not looking that good. So click on top here and click on screen options, and now deactivate all these by unticking. Now you can see that our dashboard is looking much better. Then head on to your plugins, then install plugins and click on there. Then you'll be able to see some plugins that had been activated when we got our hosting. So just click all of them here to select all of them. Then click on bulk actions, then click on delete, and then click on apply. Then OK. So this will delete all the plugins that will have been installed. Then go to appearance and click on themes. Then you'll be able to see any other theme here. So just click on this one and delete it. So by default we'll be left by just one theme. So when we open our website right now, it's looking like this because the theme looks like this. So we are going to go back to themes. Now we are going to do our last settings, which we are going to go to settings, then general. Then we are going to add our name of the site. So for mine, I'll just call it my name. Then we are going to add a tagline here. So I'll add mine to be through the lens. Now you can add your tagline there. Then come and take your time zone here. So you can choose your time zone from your country. So I'm going to take one. Then I'm going to drag down. Now I'm going to click on save changes. Then I'm going to go to permalinks down here under settings, then down here permalinks. And now I'll change from day and name to post name. This is the most SEO friendly link structure. So this one will help you rank higher in Google searches. So click on save changes. And with that, we have configured our WordPress website the right way. To get themes and plugins, below this video, click on get theme here. It's going to bring you to this particular website called Astra, and Astra is one of the best provider for themes, and the themes that are provided by Astra are really fast and they are amazing. So we can see that we have free themes here, and we also have premium themes here. So premium themes you have to pay for you to get them, and they are amazingly done. So you can go through them. So if you are a fashion influencer, you can go with that. If you are a creative podcaster, you can go with these. They are actually blogs for anybody. Tech news, life coach. There are so many, but today we are going to go with a free one. That is this one. We also have some free ones down there, like this one, this one, this one, this one. So you will just choose depending on your needs. Now let's go and preview this one. So you can be able to see that it looks like the one that I was showing you from the beginning. So you can see we have all the sections, and now all that is remaining is to import these from this particular website now to your own website. So go back, click this. Now go back to the page that you had clicked on, and then up there you'd be able to see download. Just click on the download button. Now you'll be able to see the prices of the pro themes, but we don't want to have a pro, we want to have a free one, but you can also buy a pro one if you wish to. Now click on download free Astra theme here. Then you can put your first name and email address and subscribe and download. And now you'll be able to see your theme being downloaded there. Now it's done downloading your theme. Now go to your dashboard, click on appearance, then go to themes. Now you're going to click on add theme. Upload theme. Choose file. And then you're going to click on the file that you have just downloaded. Open. Then install. Now click on activate here. And now you'll be able to see this particular thing called install starter templates. Click on install starter templates. Click on build with templates. Click on Elementor. Now choose again where we were, so blog. And now you'll be able to see the first one here. So click on it. You'll be able to see this is the one that we want to import. Now click on continue, fill these details, click on submit and build my website. And congratulations, your website will be ready. Let us now see our website. So click here to view your website. And just like that, we have our amazing website under our domain name. So this is really amazing. So we now want to change this wording here. We want to change now this and also customize the website to have a look and feel of our own company. Now, if we go to our website previously was looking like this, but now if I refresh, you can see it has changed. So next, we are going to customize our website so that we can change this logo to reflect our own logo. We also want to change to make sure that these ones are, when we click these one, they're going to take us to our social media. So to customize our website, click on customize here. And now we want to change our logo here. So just click on the logo. And then you can change the logo from here. So I'm going to click on change logo. Then I'm going to go to my upload so that I can upload my logo. And then I can locate my logo here that I had created earlier. Select. Then I'm going to drag like this so that I can crop it. Then crop it. And just like that, my logo will be displaying here like that. So if the logo is too big, you can try to make sure that you change the settings here. So you can make it smaller if it's too big, like that. Now, depending on how you like it. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a logo, or how I created my logo. So first, click on the link in the description below that says create a logo. So it will bring you to this website. Click on let's make a logo, then click on start. Now your logo name here, and your slogan here. Click on continue. Choose your industry. So I'm going to take sports and fitness. Then take a color scheme that matches your brand. So I'm going to take warm, then continue. Then you want maybe font style from maybe modern, elegant, slab. So you can see Google BBC uses modern. So whichever inspires you, just pick one. Then click on generate. Just like that, in seconds, we'll have hundreds of logos that will be generated for us. I can even see more logos here. So you can see this one looks really nice. It has the lens, it has my name here, and also it's really cool. So I can click on edit if I want to change anything here, edit. And now I can change maybe the color of the name. Maybe I want it to be in red or black. So I can change that from here. I can also change, maybe if I want to change this layout here, so I can just click on it and then come here and change from here. Let me just take this one just to show you I can. And you can see they have changed it, and you can adjust this, and then you can save this. So you can be able to see that this one is available. You are going to preview it. You can see how your logo looks like. Then so that's the preview, but I'm going to go with this one. You can see this one was looking better, and now I can resize it. So that's how we create a logo. So after creating, you can now come and upload your logo here. So now I want to add our favicon. So the favicon was the one that I was showing you for email and for YouTube. So just scroll down, and you'll be able to see something called site icon down here. So just click on it. Then you can select your site icon. So we are going to upload that one also. So upload, select files, and I'm going to select mine. It looks like a camera. So as you can see, so I'm going to select it, then crop. You can see how it will be displayed here. So crop it, and then you can be able to see it up here. So before I publish this, I'm going to show you how to create this favicon. So go to a new tab, and type icons8.com. So here we are going to get our free favicon. So I created it here. So I just wrote here photography, and I was given all these favicons here. So I just came and chose this one. Then I was able to click on color and change the color a bit, customize it, and then I was done. Then I clicked on download. So I went for this one. You can also go for the one of 150, but I wanted a small one. Then click on download, and you'll see it here downloaded. So that's how I got my favicon. So after adding your favicon, just go back and click publish. So we are now done with our header, which is this part. Now we want to change this subscribe button here. So we are going to click on, to highlight on the subscribe button, then click on it. And then we can be able to change this subscribe. So you can use this subscribe, or you can change it to talk to us the way I had done. So I just want to show you that it's possible. So if it's subscribe, just let it be like that. Then you can put your YouTube channel here, the link for your YouTube channel here. But if you don't want them to subscribe like that, you want them to go to your contact page, you can click here and say talk to us, and you'll see it will change. Then you can link to that page where it's contact page. So I'm going to click on contact page, and I'm going to copy this link. Then I'm going to put it here. So you can see when we go there and click on talk to us, it will take us to that particular page. Then click publish. Then go back. Now go to the footer. So the footer is the down section here. Now you can be able to see that this is now our footer, and the copyright content has automatically reflected our website, so we don't have to change anything. But if you want to change anything here, just click on this pencil, and you can be able to change this from here. So I'm going to go back, and just with that, we are done customizing our header and our footer. So we want to change the content here. We want to edit this. We want to change the pictures and things like that. So we are going to do just that. And now we want to change everything here. So we are going to click on edit with Elementor up here. So when you see this page, just refresh. And then we are going to now start customizing this. So if you want to change your this text, just click on it, and on your left side you will be able to change that text. So if you want to change this big text here, so you can just click on it here, and you'll see it on this side, and then we can change it just like that. And you can change also this content here, the one that is down here. Just like that. So you can see, if you want to click on to change the read articles, just click on it again, and you'll be able to see here. Maybe you can say maybe read blogs. I'm just showing you that you can be able to do that. Then when people click here, you want to take them to your blog, so you have to link it. So link, then put the link for the blog here. So the link for the blog, we can see we don't have a link, we don't have a blog here at all. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to our dashboard. So I have opened this in a new tab so that I don't interfere with what I was doing here. So I have opened it in a new tab. So just go to pages, then go to add new page. and call this page blog. So after calling it blog, click on publish, then publish again. So we are going to see the new blog here. So we're just going to open it on a new tab. So you can see we have our new blog here. So just copy the link for blog, then come here and you have said read blogs, then paste it here. So click on update. So every time you are changing anything here, make sure that you click on update. So if we come to our blog here, the blog that we have just created, we now want to add this blog to this particular place. So to our menu. So this is what we are going to do, and make sure that you observe here keenly how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, then I'm going to go to appearance, then I'm going to go to themes, then down here I'm going to hover over menu and click on menu. So menu is what we normally see here. So this is what we call a menu. So a menu is what makes it easy for people to now just click and go to that particular page. So we want to display our blog here. So let's go to menu. We can now rearrange this. We can even decide that we don't want this design. So we can just click on this arrow and remove and save menu. So we want it to start with film advertising. So when we go to our menu here and we refresh, we'll see it will start with film, then advertising, something like that. So let's continue, go to our menu, and now let us add the new blog that we have just added. So just click on view all and you'll be able to see the blog here, or most recent, and you'll be able to see it here. So click on blog and then click on add to menu and we'll see the blog here. So don't forget to click on save this. So when you save it and we come back to our home and then we refresh this, you can see now we have our blog here. So when we click on our blog, you realize that we don't have anything. We don't have anything to show. So let us first of all see whether we have. Let's go home. Let us first of all go and see whether we have some blogs. So I'm on the dashboard here and I'm going to click on post, then all posts. And we can see we have so many blogs here. You can see all these blogs that we had imported this theme containing. So you can see we have the blogs, so and they're not displaying. So this is how to make the blogs display. So go to your settings, then hover over reading, click on it, and then you're going to see here that we have our home page as home and post page we don't have any. So we are going to click on this arrow and then we are going to click on blog, and then we are going to click on save changes. So what that is going to do is that it's going to display all the posts under blog. So when we go to our home page here and now refresh, we'll be able to see when we click on blog, we'll be able to see all our blogs. So you can see there's hello world, there's another blog, there's another blog. And we can also come and maybe copy the name of this blog just like that and search it here. And you can now see that we'll be able to be searched. So we have our blog here. So let us continue with editing our homepage the way we were. Now scroll down. You can see we have this section. Maybe you don't want this section. You can just click on this container. Then you can right click and then you can delete this section. So we don't need that section. You also might not be needing this section now, depending on you, but if you want to change anything here, you can delete, you can add something like that. So you can have popular categories here. So you can see we have this category called design, another category called advertising. So let me just show you where we are getting these categories from. So let's go to our dashboard again. So the categories are normally created under posts. So under posts, most of the things will be under posts because it's a blog. So under posts, then you can come to categories, click on categories, and then you can see these categories. So we have a category for advertising, design, digital, all these categories. So if we go to our home page, we can see that we have the same categories here. So design, advertising, something like that. So if you want to add a category, just come to the category section here, the way we have gone, then click category. Maybe a category for maybe TikTok. And then you come and click on add category. So you can see we have a category called TikTok. So if you want to display TikTok on the front end, you just come here and click on this category, then copy the link address. Then you can go back now to the front end here and now display TikTok. So you can come and instead of design, just write TikTok. And then you can link it to maybe that particular page that I have just copied. So like that. Then you can click on update. You can also change the image, the background image. So you can just click on here. So to change the image, that just click on this box on top of here, then click on style, and you cannot be able to change the image. So let us just download TikTok image real quick. So you can see we have a category now popular called TikTok. So click on update again. And now we can go to this other section, like this section. Just click on it and maybe change and say read all. And then we can link this to our blog. So just delete the hashtag. Go to home, click on blog, copy the link for blog, and come and paste the link for blog here. So you can come to this section. Now you can decide to do away with this section, maybe by deleting or maybe changing the wording here. Maybe something like that. And then we can come and now if we want to change the image here, now just click if you want to change the name of this person. Let's say we want Kabilem. So we are just going to click on this box here. And then we are going to go to style and then change this person. So if I had a picture for Kabilem, maybe I'll put it here, but let me just use this person. Let's say he's Kabi. Then we can come here. If we want to change the name of this person, just click on it and say something like that. And then we can talk about, maybe we can say here, and we can brag a little bit. Be something like that. And then we can come now down here and we can now change this icon here. So just click on this and we can change this icon to maybe YouTube or TikTok icons. So just click on this button and then come and search TikTok here. So this is TikTok. Then just pick it, then insert, and you can see it has changed. But now you can see that when I highlight it, it's blue and it's supposed to be black. So let's go to style and now change this color to black. So you can see it has changed. And now maybe if we want to now link Kabilem to, you can also change the color of Kabilem, the color blue to maybe black or red. I'm just showing you can be able to do that. Maybe to green or any other color. Maybe that color. So we can now link this TikTok to his account. So just click here, then the content, then you're going to put his TikTok link here. So you can just grab his maybe pages TikTok account and maybe paste it here now. Then when you are done, just click on update. So similarly, that's how you do for all these other things. Now, we did not change our image here. So if you want to change this image, I'm a photographer. I want to show you two websites that I normally use to get free images. So the first one is called pexels.com and the other one is called unsplash.com. So these are the two websites that I normally use to get free images. So you can come here and maybe search for any type of image, maybe photography. And you can see there are so many people here that are photographers here. So this one looks interesting. Let me just click on her. So before I even download this, I can come here and see that it's free to use. So if I click here, you can see it's allowed. So you can be able to use this legally without having any problems. So you can have these pictures using them, or maybe for your blog posts or any other thing. These two particular websites, the same thing as here. So photography. And now I can be able to come here and maybe, so I can click on download free and you'll see it downloaded here. So let me just upload this one and use this one for my blog. So I'm going to click on the image that I wanted to change. Just click on the image, click on the image here, then upload the file. Then select, and voila, the file, you can see it has been changed. So similarly, you can change any other image like this one or any other image that you want. So just click on update. You can similarly do the same for any other page. So if you want to edit maybe your about page, just click on your about page. Then you can see your about page, then click on edit with Elementor. And now you can be able to change this. Maybe you want to put yourself here. So just click on the image, take one of your pictures. Maybe this is you. Then you can change these words by just clicking on them and changing from this side, just like that, and then you can update. And with that, you can see now you have been able to create your blog, you have been able to create your logo, your menu, you have changed this, have been able to change the content, and you have been able to add this particular popular category, and you have been able also to change this or even delete it. Then now you can be able to, oh, we had forgotten to change this. So let us just go and now link these particular social icons real quick. So click on customize, then click on footer builder down here, and you'll be able to see all this. So you'll see the copyright and these other ones, but we want to go for the socials. So you'll be able to see the Twitter, LinkedIn. You can actually add more. You can delete and add more. Maybe you are not in LinkedIn, so you can delete that. Maybe you are not in Twitter. Maybe you can also, you're not in Instagram, you can also delete that. You want to add maybe TikTok, so you can come here, select here, and maybe see TikTok here, then add social. So you'll see TikTok here, and now you have just added the socials that you have here. Now you want to link them. So go to your Twitter, your bio, then copy the link and come click on this arrow, and then you can put the link here. Same for YouTube, just come click the arrow, then put your link here, and then you will be done. Same for TikTok, you can go to your TikTok, then copy your home link or your bio and come and paste it here. Then when you're done, don't forget to click on publish. So with that, we are done creating our blog, and now the only thing that is remaining is now to write a post. So we are going to go to our dashboard, then we are going to go to posts, and then we are going to add a new post. So we are going to click on add new post. So this is where we are going to end this tutorial at, because this part will now take a lot of time, and I will want you to understand, because this is what will be making you rank high. This is what will be making your post stand out. So I want us to take good time here so that we can be able to understand how to write a post. So I'll create a whole video and I'll link it to this particular video that we're watching at the end, and also in the description. So after watching this, I'll just do that in a day. So please like and subscribe so that you can be able to see that particular video that I'll put, that is the most important. So thank you for watching, guys. If you've loved this video, please leave a like. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you on the next video.